downside of the vending business, losing locations. The upside of the vending business, making collections.
I'm alive again, more alive than I have been in my whole entire life. I can see these people's ears perk up as I begin to spaz with the pen. I'm a little bit sick of it.
Okay, so I'm heading over to my flea market location where I have my 6 canister, 6 globe stand, and I have a tattoo sticker machine. And the lady from where I have my machine set up at, she's actually expanding. Her business is growing and she needs to put another table there because it's right in front of, like, it's like a little taqueria, a place where they sell Mexican food.
How do you say taco in Spanish?
Taco.
How do you say burrito?
Burrito.
And her business has been growing exponentially over there, so she needs to put another table because she's getting packed. And my machines that I have there are kind of bulky, so I might need to pull them out, and we'll take it from there and see how it goes from there. Okay, I'm pulling into the flea market location where I have some of my machines set up, and let's go see what's going on. And over here to the right, they have a nice sized go-kart track, but it doesn't seem to be active today. I think it's only open on the weekends, but those things go pretty fast over there. Those are some of the fastest go-karts in this area. And the flea market seems to be closed, so let me give this woman a call and see what I need to do. She told me they were open from 7 to 4 today. Today is Thursday, and I know usually they're just open on the weekend. Okay, I'm getting ready to move these machines out because her space is real limited and everything's getting tight over here. But looks like we got some products down real low, so I'm gonna check out, see what I have in here. I'm gonna do a collection while I'm moving it out, and I'm gonna find another spot where I can relocate them to. Time to relocate it. Okay, it's time to get these machines off the truck and see what I have inside.
When it all comes down, 'cause I don't wanna come back down from this cloud. It's taken me all this time to
So one thing, they're a lot heavier than when I put them in. So I know it's some good amount of change in here. I can hear the change moving around in there. Alright, I just got it inside. It's starting to get a little chilly, so I had to wrap up a little bit. But we're going to see what we have inside of this tattoo machine first. See what's inside this tattoo sticker machine. Alright. There we go. Alright, Jamie just called me while I was in the middle of opening this up. Let me adjust this camera down a little bit. And, okay, this is all tilted sideways because I had the machine sideways. These go on top of here. And we got some of the tattoos right here. But good little amount of quarters here. Little collection there, it's all right. Nothing spectacular, but a few dollars. Let's see what we have here. And I had it tilted on its side, so that's why all the quarters ended up going sideways to the side over here in the corner when I was transporting the bed of the truck. Let's see what I have here. Okay, so it came to a total of $33.25. And this is a location that I check every 6 weeks because it's only open on Saturday and Sunday, and really Saturday is not really that many people, and she doesn't even open her little taqueria stand. So it's really just 6 Sundays that is capable of really producing anything. So it wasn't a bad location. Maybe I'll be able to get something back in there in that area. There are plenty of other vendors over there, but I'm not gonna rent a space for $85 a month because it doesn't make sense. But if I could place it somewhere, somebody else's stand, then it does make sense. But not quite sure what I'm gonna do with these machines yet, but we'll see what happens with it. Okay, when I was moving the tattoo sticker machine, I actually heard some change moving around in there. I looked in again and there was 6 more quarters, so $1.50 more brings the total up $34.75. Alright, it's time to go into the capsule 6 globe stand and see what we got inside of here. Alright, here we go. And let's see what we have down in here. Alright, we got a few quarters down in there. It's making some moves. Okay, and this one's full of dimes. My only 10-cent mechanism. That's perfect. Okay, here's what we got with the dimes. Okay, couple dollars there. Maybe we'll get lucky and get us a silver dime. Right in. We'll knock this one back up too. And on to the next one. Let's see what we have over here. These rings seem to do pretty good. So let's see what we have. Let's see what we got in here. And we got a few quarters in there too. Okay. I actually ended up laying the towel down here to see how it looks like. Okay, we got a couple pennies in here. Let's set them down all in front of each one. Alright, and last one for the bottom. Wait a second, it's not on there. Alright, sometimes you gotta play with it just a little bit. There we go. Alright, and last one. Let's see what we have over here. This one has atomic fireballs in it. This is the one we put the atomic fireballs in. Let's see what's in there. Got another penny in there. We got a dime in here too. A dime, a penny. Over here we got 2 pennies. We got a nickel. So, and I know we had a penny over here too. So, I'm going to count it out, see what we got here, and I'll let you know what the verdict was. Oh, here's another nickel too. Okay. Another nickel. Now it's time to do the top. Okay. Last 2. Let's see what the top did. The top is 50-cent mechanisms. So, let's see what we have up here on the top. Alright, now we're going in to the 50 cent mechanisms. Alright, let's see what we got inside of here. Okay, it's not too bad. And we'll set that right up. We'll set that right down here. And let's go into the other one. This key don't never want to act right. Alright, let's see what we got here. And not quite as many, but still something. So this is what we have right here. Okay, and this is what we got here. This is the total. And now it's time for me to count out my collection and get ready to find another place for me to relocate this machine.